Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up Java on Visual Studio Code. First, download the appropriate Java Development Kit, or JDK, for your operating system from a reputable source like OpenJDK or Oracle. This kit provides the necessary compiler and runtime environment for Java applications. Next, make sure Visual Studio Code is already installed. If not, download it from the official website. These two core components are essential to begin your Java development journey effectively. Once you have downloaded the JDK installer, run the executable file and proceed through the installation wizard. Most settings can be left as default, but pay attention if prompted for an installation directory. After installation, it is vital to set your Java home environment variable and add the JDK's bin directory to your system's path variable. This step allows your operating system to locate Java commands from any directory, ensuring smooth compilation and execution. Now let us install Visual Studio Code itself. Navigate to the official Visual Studio Code website and download the installer that matches your operating system, whether it is Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Once the download is complete, run the installer. The installation process is very simple. Just accept the license agreement and click Next through the prompts. You can choose to add Open with Code options to your context menus, a convenient feature. Finish the installation and launch Visual Studio Code. With Visual Studio Code open, it is time to enhance its capabilities for Java development. Click on the extensions icon in the activity bar, which looks like 4 squares. In the search bar, type Extension Pack for Java. This comprehensive pack, developed by Microsoft, includes vital extensions like language support for Java and debugger for Java. Click Install to add all these powerful tools to your VS Code environment. This significantly streamlines your development workflow and provides intelligent code completion, making coding much easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.